At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, labor right. When you not come, when you come good. Yeah? I'm telling you one thing. Me very, very good pan researching. That a one thing. Me telling you. Take a look at my screen, my lovely viewers. Take a look. Who that? Kim Brown Lawrence, the Jamaica Labour Party councillor, has been charged with corruption-related offences in the probe into alleged links involving Royal Reed, the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, and the Ministry of Education. Mistress Lawrence was arrested in October 2019 along with Reed and CMU President Professor Fritz Pinnock for allegedly defrauding the Ministry of Education and the CMU of millions of dollars. So when I hear the labor right coming out and talking about ISAT, when ISAT was convicted for all these charges or whatever in America, I have to really go and dig. And I'm more uno in there, but me go do it one at a time. Me go drag it. You know things so me I drop everything once. Me go drag it little by little, so me can use uno as my content. Uno to outer order, uno labor right. Uno too bright and out of order, and little bit too enough, and little bit too rank. And when uno cross the line, me have to draw and me have to dig out uno business. I'm going to share it with my viewers. My wisdom warriors. Currently, at this minute, as I am speaking, Kim Brown Lawrence is a Jamaica Labour Party councillor. She is a Jamaica Labour Party councillor. So, when you have these type of people mixed up in a corruption and fraud and coming out here talking about ISAT, this woman, she even come out, my wisdom warriors, and lie, and tell them, say, she has been freed. IC, Integrity Commission, has freed her from charges and corruption. When nothing never go, so, me have the evidence right here. Nothing never go, so. So, Jamaica Labour Party is known for a corrupted party. This is why Andrew Holness want the judge to stroke out Section 14.5. That deal and get to the bottom of illicit enrichment. A prime minister, that is a legislator. This man no want get rid of corruption because they breed and eat and drink and sleep corruption. So them no want get rid of it. Them no want get rid of it. But when uno come at PNP, uno feel look in a phone nest first before uno come out. Look good in our nest. Yeah, man. Look around on the little web before uno come out. Don't go on like someone want to drag the PNP because the PNP are honest people. Yeah, the PNP are honest people. And when una come go on like, you know what, my wisdom warriors? Horace Chang. Look at Horace Chang. Horace Chang involved in organizing crime. You know what organized crime mean? Organized crime. Figure KILL of people. And he is our deputy prime minister. So, uno dirty king labor right. Can't chat to PNP. And uno can't walk in a PNP shoes. No day. No time. No day. Because the whole of uno is corrupted. And there is more of them, my wisdom warriors, over there. But me go take time, put it across, little by little. Me not drop it all at once, Yeah, because they like to talk about 90. I wonder. And so me work with it over here, so you know me already. Me, I one of them blogger there, with depend the whole of them Jamaica Labour Party every single day. You know me already, I don't care. Because guess what? When a party is corrupt, we have to expose it, and we have to take them out of power. You understand? This is why crime and violence will never stop. Scamming will never stop in Jamaica. Because what? You have the top man, the top anarist man at the top scammer in Jamaica, which I call the Prime Minister. My wisdom warriors, hear more about Kim Brown Lawrence. The IC of Jamaica has sought to distance itself from a news report that embattled Jamaica Labour Party councillor Kim Brown Lawrence has been cleared of fraud and corruption charges stemming from the Caribbean Maritime University, which is a CMU scandal. So this lady come out and tell them, say, you know, say, I see, clear me of the fraud and this and that charges and one bag of something. With nothing no go some my wisdom warriors. She came out and she lied. And even though they know that, you know, she has been charged for fraud and all these things, the people them still vote for her. The people them still vote for her. She's a candidate. You understand what I mean? Them still vote for her. And she's a councillor at this minute. So, when Labour Right come out and is talking about ISAT, come on. We know, say, no want to cuss ISAT, you know. We know that. Remember, say, ISAT are poor people government, you know. And no cartel alone, ISAT free, you know. I want to know that in Jamaica. And no cartel alone ain't free. You understand me? This is what I want you guys to know. So when the dirty king Labour Right them come out, my wisdom warriors, and attack, we know, say, a fret, them a fret. Yes, man. Them a fret. So when them then just plan up and say, all right, we're going to bring down ISAT. No dirty king Labour Right can't bring down nobody. No can't bring down ISAT. Go look for no criminal prime minister. Go look for no criminal prime minister. Want the court right now to break the constitution to suit him. No can't talk about ISAT. Look at Horace Strong. That is involved in money laundering. Go check Wikipedia. Him dep on it. That's why he can't go America. What uno there? What uno there Labour Right? So you can't talk about ISAT. And I know my wisdom warriors and ISAT are really a them problem, you know. I just fret them a fret. And that woman have to lose that seat. That woman there have to lose that seat because it has come to my attention. She never genuinely get the seat, you know. Hey, Lord Jesus, a whole heap of bangarang going up at them place there, you know, my wisdom warriors. A whole heap of things going, you know. Who was there before? You know what? Me not go say nothing, you know, my wisdom warriors. Me go leave that for another time. But Labour Right, you see when you now come out and I put up ISAT, those members so now have at the press the researcher over here, so. Because me I go dig out to all on the business. And can drop it right over here, so. And drop it on TikTok. And drop it on X. And drop it on Instagram. Uno too out of order. Uno like to play with fire, but uno don't like to get burned. Uno love come and attack PNP. Me tell you all the while, you know, I'm not PNP, I'm not JLP. But any party that stand up for truth and rights, I them me a support. And me see the honesty in a Marky G. Marky G is an honest man. Me see that. Andrew Holness a criminal. Andrew Holness a criminal. From him I go take them the something they now wanna bring a court and one judge for struck out section 14.5. Me look for Andrew different. And Mark Golding know who he's up against. He's a dangerous man. And me telling you all the time, but you now listen. A lot of people come over. On the Labour Right, you better take heed. Because you are going to learn the hard way. You are going to remember me. Remember me telling you that. You are going to feel it. And you are going to make you feel it and down behind. You stay there. But my wisdom warriors, take in this. 14th of July 2022, Kim Brown Lawrence says her utterances about being cleared of fraud and corruption charges are untrue. Wanna see it though, me tell her say all of them are lied. Me tell you so them a liar, them a born liar. My wisdom warriors. She same one came out, you know, and said the IC. She same one came out and said the IC clear her of all charges. Me want to know how the IC can clear somebody. The only thing the IC do is recommend for you to get charged. You understand? So me don't know where she go. So she are the same one who came out and said that she has been cleared from all charges, my wisdom warriors. Look at this. Sources close to the investigation involving embattled councillor for the Brownstone division in St. Anne's Kim Brown Lawrence says her utterances about being cleared of fraud and corruption charges are untrue. Mistress Lawrence unexpectedly revealed that she is now free of the charges by the Integrity Commission. Councillor Lawrence made the announcement this morning during an Senton Municipal Corporation meeting. You know, hear that, my wisdom warriors? Mistress Lawrence unexpectedly revealed that she is now free of the charges by the IC. However, Lawrence refused to repeat her earlier utterances when our news center tried to interview her. She says her attorney has instructed her not to speak with the media. You see how they lie and wicked and bad? She come out pan a hype and pan a rant and I tell people say she is now free. She is now free, my wisdom warriors, from fraud charges and one bangarang. When nothing no go so, she had the same one come out and say what she say wasn't true. So me tell about these labor rights. Me tell you about these labor rights. I don't know so me have to go dig and go over IC, you know. Because me have to find it, you know. Take a look at this. There has been no confirmation of this form from the Integrity Commission. In a statement on Twitter, the Integrity Commission of Jamaica says it's not the Integrity Commission name in the report. Yeah, so look, I see there appears to be a news report that is circulating which claims that a named parish councillor has been cleared of fraud and corruption charges by the Integrity Commission. The Integrity Commission of Jamaica is not the Integrity Commission that is named in the report. Telling about the labor right again. This is what they do. This is what they do, my wisdom warriors. These labor right. Them are crook for a long time. The whole of them are crook. The whole of them are crook. You understand? So when me see una come and attack Isaac, listen. Uno criminal organization. Uno just look right next to uno. The criminals are all there. The criminals are all there. Uno don't go for ISAT. You understand? Don't go for ISAT. Uno don't come for ISAT. I want to come off for ISAT back now. You understand me? Me know say I'm not really ISAT at the problem. Me know say I'm not really cartel at the problem. Just because ISAT support the PNP and uno vex. Remember Andrew Holness used to brush off in Clarks and dance to. Where you get the new Clarks the day? Which one? Everybody in a And that time, cartel was incarcerated. So, what uno really I say? My wisdom warriors, me go catch uno in the next video because me see a youth we living at the UK, my wisdom warriors, out to talk about how Mark Golden figure sucking dead mother. Yeah, man. But me not go play him on my channel. Yeah, man. Me not go play him on my channel. But me see it a go round. And you know what? Me want to talk about it a bit more, but me not going to talk really much about it over here. Me going to leave that in the next video because that youth live in a white man country and that youth, of course, I just don't understand some people, you know. Some people are real idiot and real clown. But anyway, want to tell me what you think. My viewers and subscribers, my well-thinking Jamaica, me say me have a piece of attack claps for drop on uno. Maybe some of uno hear it already. Maybe some of uno see it already, my wisdom warriors. But me did have to come play the people them business over here. Taking this. This person that is talking is Kim Brown Lawrence. Hear this.
Noble councillors and caretakers of the Jamaica Labour Party. I am Kim Brown Lawrence, the sitting two-term councillor for the Brownstown Division in Northwest Senton, a seat that has never been won by the Jamaica Labour Party since 1982. It took 36 years for me to single-handedly and barefooted win this seat. I have never had a walk with a party official here. I have never had a meeting with one here for my election, I should say. No, let me not say that. I've never had a walk with an official here. Right? Kim do it. Broke and everything. And she did it. Right? It so happened that 5 years ago, Ruel Reid was sent here as the caretaker, a seat that I applied for. But as they said, I'm not qualified. No problem. They sent someone, I worked with him. It so happened, that was the second letter written by one written after that. Anyway, let's leave that. Not qualified, no problem. I'll work with where I am placed. I'll grow where I am placed, right? 5 years ago, the court started from 2019. Every Wednesday, the councillor, have to find herself a station, signing in a police book over something she don't know about. Reached out to the party, officials in the party, numerous times, seeking help to get a lawyer. None of them reach out to the answer. Reach out to our next minister. Take pity upon me and he helped me. Yeah, he helped me with the lawyer 2 times, 5 years ago. 2 times. This is a case that caused me to close business, sell my father dead left van. The retroactive that you receive, me have to use it upon lawyer. Me have to take time talk, Because when I'm angry, I will say things one of it.
So my wisdom warriors, una listen to Kim Lawrence. Una hear what she has say? This woman is very stressed and it seems like she's under pressure. She seems like she's under a whole heap of pressure. But you see me, my wisdom warriors, una see us, the wisdom warriors, we no feel sorry for them. Because the all of them are the same thing. The all of them is the same thing. The whole of them work together. She and Ruel Reid work together. You understand? But let me tell you something. You have some people, when them a get the money, life sweet. But when they get caught, life not sweet again. And that for happen to them, the whole of them figure prison. Me no feel sorry for her, yeah? Me no feel sorry for her, my wisdom warriors. Because she same one did come out. Remember what I said earlier, Or she come out and tell lie about how I see clear when nothing never goes so. Anyway, you want to take in more because maybe when we have like a sympathy for her.
Me use the dead left, the sell a van, for pay a lawyer. 2 van, for pay a lawyer. The business money, pay a lawyer till the lot done. Get a little retroactive, liar. Reach out back to him, an official, nothing, no help, not even a reply. Daughter sick, reach out, nothing. General I come up back. I mean, no. I know that I am the head cornerstone in a Northwest Central constituency. Yes, I'm aware. Because you need this seat to carry it in. If you work under the wall of them, I pressure you. And plus the signals come out again. I mean, no. Me party. When me now left, now go back me. Yeah, man. I go run up and down here. Good evening, noble councillors and caretakers.
So how the JLP did a go on like say, them live good? All them did a go on like say, them live good? That me want to know. All the Jamaica Labour Party, every day them get up and PNP now live good. PNP now this. That time pressure a bus pipe round the back. That's a one place, a one part. Pressure a bus pipe, my wisdom warriors. Hey, them the people there, you know, we sell them soul. No, sir. Jamaica Labour Party. Uno stay there and make uno pressure bus up for uno pipeline. Uno labor right woman. Uno stay there and make uno pressure bus up uno pipeline because of one man. My wisdom warriors, it is a sad situation. It is a sad situation. But me, at half of the press, don't feel sorry for her. As much as I want to feel sorry for her, I don't. Maybe my brain feels sorry for her, but the heart not feel sorry for her. Them are wicked. And she forget it. She forget it because she knows say our party is not a good. She know the people them in our party. She knows say them are not good somebody. This is why she's going through this right now. And on the year what she say, our party where she now left, standing there. Make your pipeline bust open. Turn in there. My wisdom warriors. I yeah, so really nice. The way how them come out every day, the whole of them every single day, up and running a different angel wholeness. Only God alone know what them a go through. God alone know what them a go through. Post all them. Me not feel sorry for them, but wanna tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Follow me on TikTok, IG, X. The link I got there in the comment section. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. And remember to run over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round channel. Run go over there, my people. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Get me to 5,000 subs. Blessings upon blessings. One love.